the first portion of it, we're going to teach you how to make a homemade stencil. So you want to start off telling them what stencil is all about?
So basically, stencil is anything that you cut a shape in, right? It can be made out of thick paper or a thick plastic, and obviously it's used for arts, hand movement. So you kind of like the general use of it is you use your hands and trace it around and come up. Sometimes you use it for painting, you use it for sponge art. So yeah.
So also, I think sometimes when people think of stencil, is also the act of repeating it, because you have like one template and then you'll have the same guide, so you can do exactly the same shape over and over again. All right. So if you're ready, we're gonna start now. Okay.
Here we go.
All right. So things that you need for this, pretty simple things that you can find at home. This is just like a cardboard, like from a box, or if you have like a sturdy card, that's good too. So anything that is like hard, because then you can reuse it again. Plastic, maybe plastic as well. If you use a thin paper, it's not as good, because you wouldn't. Sometimes it's like kind of hard to like draw the line. Like you wouldn't get like a really clear line. So so you can just use this or find any cards. We're gonna need a cutter. So kids, this is definitely something you need to do
with mom and dad. Please ask them to help you out, or you really need the supervision right there.
Just tell your mom and dad like how you want the shapes, and they can help you cut it, and also a marker and like a ruler. We just need just very simple
small short ruler. Anything will do.
Okay, so today we're just going to show you like really basic shapes that we can do. So let's start. So I'm going to use this one. It's like sturdy. It's nice and sturdy. So we're going to start with a square. So let's just have it maybe 7 by 7 centimeters. So you just put it here, right? Okay, so you can just draw the line. You can make the square as big or as small as you want it to be, but be good if everything is in the proportionate sizing. All right. Okay. So this is where we need help from mom or dad. So we're gonna cut it. All right. Just be careful. Okay. So this is a bit of a tough card. Actually, the thicker it is, the better. Yeah. Okay, so that's the first one. That's a square that we have. And next one, let's do a circle, right? So this is the easiest thing to you can find at home. Just a glass, right? Just draw it around. Okay. You can also make other shapes if you want. Rectangular. What other shapes are there? Hexagon. What are the shapes?
The triangle.
Yeah, I mean, what are the shapes other than triangle?
Rectangle, hexagon, or octagon, if you want to.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Octagon if you wanted to, right?
Yeah. So many shapes.
Right.
Okay.
And you see why doing stenciling is also kind of fun and helps. See how focused you have to be when you do it. So yeah.
Okay. So this is a rectangular. So I'll teach you how to do it. The base will be a square. So let's do this 7 by 7 cm square. Yeah. Right. Square. Rectangular. Yeah. So take half of that, say half of 7 cm is like 3.5.
Three and a half centimeters.
3.5.
Right?
So that's that. So you put a dot there, and what you do is you draw the line there, and there you go. You got yourself a triangle. All right. I think I always say triangles as rectangular. Sorry about that. Okay. Just cut it. So,
and voila, there you go. You got your triangle.
And you got yourself a stencil. So now this is the fun part.
Let's see what you can make out of all this.
Yeah, like
shapes.
Like out of these shapes, right? So you have to use
one stencil.
One stencil. You have to use your imagination of like what we can do with it. So.
Meanwhile, it'd be nice to get you guys to let us know what do you think you can make out of those 3 shapes.
Okay. Maybe we'll play a guessing game so you can like guess like,
what are we gonna make? What do you think?
Right.
Yeah.
So we'll start off with a square. Right? And let's have a rectangular shape here, right? Okay, can you guess what I'm doing? Let's add something here. Here. And there you go. It's a house. And if you want to have not enough space here, but like a neighbor's house, right? You can draw another one.
Or it could be your very own garage where you put stuff in.
Or maybe this is another part of the house.
Right.
Right? So yeah. Let's just do another door. And there you go. So this is one shape, right?
And you can choose. Okay, obviously you can choose to color.
Yeah.
Color it. Okay.
Okay, let's see. What if we turn this triangle the other way around? Is it upside down or just? Oh, it is upside down. Okay, so let's draw it here, and let's use. We have the round, like halfway there. There. How about maybe another one? Can you guess? Maybe what's this shaping up to be? Yeah. And
Oh,
any idea?
we all scream.
What do we scream?
We all scream.
Ice cream. All right. So maybe if you like some cherries here, and you can color this. So how about some?
Well, you know, I like the cherry, so we're gonna
do the cherry first. Okay,
yeah,
so
we're gonna do the
we can
cherry
color.
first. Yeah.
So you can use crayons,
Your watercolor.
dab it with watercolor.
Right.
Strawberry. Okay, let's do strawberry flavored.
Oh,
Yeah.
that already looks so good.
What is this? Lemon? Oh, it'd be
Chocolate, well, vanilla.
vanilla. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
vanilla. I love the vanilla and strawberry.
Vanilla, strawberry. Yeah,
Right.
that sounds.
And oh yeah, that's just the cone. And I love my ice cream, my chocolate cone too, not just a plain cone. So there you go. So you can color this with any other coloring kit. So that's it. So we got that. Then this is just a sample how you can use this stencil from this, right? So you just have to be slightly creative and see what else that you can come up with just from basic patterns. So hopefully you're gonna try this at home. Pretty easy and simple.
Oh, right, and it's fun.
And it's fun too. I mean, you could go like endless, like trying to figure out like what you can make up from shape. So it's like really fun.
You can you could go outside and see like even trees, shapes of plants and trees, and see what you can come up with that.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So maybe share some of your ideas and thoughts with us.
So maybe if you inspired, well, why don't you show us, what